If you're in IT support, you know how chaotic things can get when trying to solve issues remotely. But what if there was a way to make that process seamless? GoTo Resolve is designed to do just that. In this video, we're going to show you how GoTo Resolve makes IT Helpdesk support a smoother experience for both IT teams and users alike. First off, GoTo Resolve simplifies remote support like never before. You can connect with users quickly with a simple click, no complicated setup or installations needed. Whether you're handling a system crash or just troubleshooting a software glitch, GoTo Resolve allows you to jump into action without wasting time. This is crucial for helpdesk support, where every minute counts and users expect quick resolutions. Next thing, GoTo Resolve offers a wide range of tools to help diagnose and fix problems faster. The built-in diagnostic tools are comprehensive, everything from performance metrics to system health checks. You'll be able to pinpoint issues in seconds, all from one dashboard. But here's the catch: while this is handy, it's not always as detailed as some of its competitors, so if you're handling complex or highly specific issues, you might feel limited at times. The third thing I want to point out is how GoTo Resolve makes collaboration between team members incredibly easy. You can share screens, chat, and even work on the same system simultaneously. This is a big plus for IT teams handling multiple requests at once. However, for larger teams, GoTo Resolve can sometimes feel a bit basic compared to other, more feature-rich tools in the market like TeamViewer or ServiceNow. Next, let's talk about the user experience. One of the biggest selling points of GoTo Resolve is its simplicity. The interface is clean and navigating through it is intuitive, which is a big advantage for teams who need a tool that doesn't require extensive training. That said, some might argue that its simplicity is also its biggest weakness. It lacks certain advanced features that power users might look for, like deep customization or extensive reporting capabilities. The fifth thing is GoTo Resolve's pricing. When compared to other IT helpdesk tools, it offers a competitive price point. However, some alternatives, like Freshservice, provide more advanced features and flexibility, which could justify the extra cost depending on your needs. But here's what you'll want to stick around for. While GoTo Resolve is solid, there are alternatives out there that might better suit your IT helpdesk needs. We'll break down some of those at the end of the video. So keep watching, because you don't want to miss out on some exclusive benefits that'll help you decide which tool is truly best for your IT team. Before we wrap up, here's something you should know. If you're interested in GoTo Resolve, we've got an exclusive extended free trial available through our link. But I also wanted to highlight some amazing alternatives that are better suited for the long-term goal of streamlining IT support. These alternatives also come with free trials and are tailored to improve team collaboration, troubleshooting speed, and overall efficiency. And through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, if you're looking to improve your IT support efficiency, stick with us until the end to find out which option really stands out for your team.